Hello everyone and welcome to Pulse 24, your weekly deep dive into the tech world's most electrifying currents. I'm your host, Nate, and if you thought AI was just about generating cat pictures, buckle up, because today we're going from chip deals to autonomous drones and even mahjong-playing robots. It's going to be a whirlwind. And joining me, as always, is the brilliant mind who makes sense of it all, world-leading AI authority, Dr. Anya Sharma. Anya, great to have you back.
Thanks, Nate. Always a pleasure to be here and unpack the latest, often wild developments in AI.
Right, let's jump straight into our first big story. And it's a humdinger from the semiconductor world. We're hearing that Samsung has struck a massive $16.5 billion deal to produce AI semiconductors for Tesla through 2033. Now, Anya, correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought Elon Musk was all about vertical integration. Isn't Tesla supposed to be making everything in-house? Are they suddenly not capable of building their own AI chips? This feels a bit like finding out Iron Man outsources his suit manufacturing.
That's a great analogy, Nate, and a common misconception. While Tesla certainly designs its own AI chips, particularly for its full self-driving system, manufacturing those advanced semiconductors is an incredibly specialized and capital-intensive process. This deal isn't a sign of weakness for Tesla, but rather a strategic partnership leveraging Samsung's expertise in foundry services. Samsung's foundry business, which manufactures chips for other companies, has been facing significant losses, so this massive order is a huge win for them, potentially turning things around. Think of it as a highly specialized symphony orchestra, Nate. Tesla writes the music, Samsung plays the instruments.
So it's about capacity and specialization, not a lack of internal capability. That makes a lot more sense. It's a smart move to offload that manufacturing burden, especially with the Taylor, Texas plant coming online soon. Does this signal a broader trend, where even the biggest tech companies rely on these specialized foundries for cutting-edge AI silicon?
Absolutely, Nate. The cost and complexity of building and operating a state-of-the-art chip fabrication plant, or fab, are astronomical. Only a handful of companies globally can do it at the scale and precision required for advanced AI chips. So even giants like Tesla, or even Apple with their A-series chips, will partner with leading foundries like Samsung or TSMC. It allows them to focus on design and innovation, while the manufacturing heavy lifting is handled by experts. It's a pragmatic approach in a hyper-competitive market.
Fascinating! From the commercial side of AI, let's pivot to something with more immediate real-world impact, and it's quite a serious one. We're hearing that Auterion, a software group, is set to ship 33,000 AI-powered drone strike kits to Ukraine, backed by Pentagon funding. Now, Anya, AI-powered drone strike kits sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. Are we talking about drones that can think for themselves on the battlefield? And are we sure these aren't going to go rogue and start demanding oil, or worse, just fly off to find better Wi-Fi?
No rogue robots just yet, Nate. But these kits represent a significant leap in battlefield autonomy. The technology allows these drones to operate independently, even when faced with GPS jamming or electronic warfare. This means they can maintain their mission and engage targets without constant human control, significantly increasing their accuracy and effectiveness. The strike kits integrate advanced computer vision and AI-driven navigation, which is a game changer for contested environments. It's about empowering existing drone fleets with more sophisticated capabilities, not creating sentient terminators.
Okay, so it's about resilience and precision, not Skynet. That's a relief. But it does raise questions about the ethical implications of autonomous weapons. Where do we draw the line when AI is making decisions on the battlefield?
That's a crucial discussion, Nate, and one that ethicists and policymakers are grappling with globally. The aim here is to enhance capabilities and protect human lives by reducing direct exposure to danger. These systems are designed to improve targeting and reduce collateral damage through precision. While they operate autonomously, human oversight and clear rules of engagement are paramount. This technology is a reflection of the evolving nature of modern warfare, and the ethical frameworks need to evolve just as quickly.
Indeed. From the battlefield to the showroom floor, our next story takes us to China's largest annual AI conference in Shanghai, where robots were the undisputed stars. We're talking everything from mahjong-playing robots to agile, backflipping designs. Anya, are these robots just for show? Or is this a real glimpse into a future where our homes are filled with helpful or perhaps overly competitive automatons? I mean, mahjong-playing robots. I knew it! They're coming for our leisure time first, then our jobs.
More like they're coming for the repetitive, dull tasks, Nate. Leave the mahjong to the experts for now. But you're right, the sheer diversity and sophistication of the robots on display were impressive. Companies like Unitree showcased their G1 android with boxing moves and even announced a full-size humanoid robot, the R1, priced under $6,000. And Baidu presented digital humans that can make decisions and collaborate, even outperforming human streamers in e-commerce. This isn't just for show. It's a clear demonstration of China's rapid advancements in AI and robotics, with the government aiming for a leading role in both technology and regulation. They are very much focused on practical applications in factories, hospitals, and homes.
So, beyond the novelty, these are serious attempts at real-world integration. The idea of digital humans outperforming live streams is particularly interesting. Does this indicate a shift in how we might interact with services and entertainment in the future?
It certainly does. These digital humans are becoming incredibly realistic and capable of complex interactions. Imagine customer service that's available 24/7, always polite, and able to access vast amounts of information instantly, or virtual assistants that are indistinguishable from real people. This technology is designed to enhance efficiency and user experience across many sectors. It's part of a broader strategy for China to leverage AI to transform industries and gain a competitive edge.
All right, time for our rapid-fire round, where I give my hot take on a headline, and Anya, you set me straight or confirm my genius. First up, TCS announces workforce reduction, impacting 12,000 employees. Anya, this sounds like the beginning of the robot apocalypse. AI is finally taking all the jobs, starting with middle management. Should we all just start learning to code? Or maybe how to play mahjong against robots?
Hold your horses, Nate. The robot apocalypse isn't quite here. While TCS is indeed reducing its workforce by about 2%, impacting over 12,000 employees, it's part of a strategic realignment. This includes adopting AI, yes, but also expanding into new markets and addressing shifts in technology and business operations. The cuts are primarily affecting middle and senior management, and TCS is focusing on retraining and redeploying staff where feasible. It's less about AI replacing roles entirely, and more about evolving the nature of work, where AI automates routine tasks, allowing humans to focus on higher value, more complex work.
Okay, evolving the nature of work. Got it. More efficiency, less apocalypse. Next headline, Meta hires ChatGPT co-creator Shengjia Zhao to lead superintelligence labs. My take? Zuckerberg is just collecting the infinity stones of AI talent to build his metaverse empire. It's a talent war, and Meta just poached a big one.
You're not entirely wrong about the talent war, Nate. Shengjia Zhao, a co-creator of ChatGPT, joining Meta as chief scientist of their superintelligence labs, is a massive coup. It underscores Meta's aggressive strategy to strengthen its AI capabilities and compete with rivals like OpenAI and Google. Zhao will be setting the research agenda and guiding the lab's scientific direction, focusing on developing full general intelligence. It's less about collecting, Nate, and more about building the ultimate dream team for foundational AI research. And they're even planning to open source some of that technology.
Fascinating insights, Anya. It sounds like the AI landscape is shifting faster than ever.
It truly is, Nate. Every week brings new breakthroughs and challenges.
And that's all the time we have for today's episode of Pulse 24. A huge thank you to Dr. Anya Sharma for her incredible insights. Until then, stay curious, stay informed. See you next time.